Hi there, my name is Allison Mansour and I'm a student volunteer here at the Mildred Westervelt Warner Transportation Museum in Tuscaloosa. Over the past several months, I've had the opportunity to put together an exhibit about the Tuscaloosa Bicentennial Quilt, and right now I want to show you some behind the scenes. So in this segment, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the details on the quilt that aren't necessarily shown on the boards. Let's start in the northern quadrant. Here we have representations of the University of Alabama, Lake Tuscaloosa, and Capitol Park. Now, while all of these things are incredibly important to Tuscaloosans, Capitol Park in particular has an interesting history. Between 1826 and 1846, Tuscaloosa was the capital of Alabama. When the capital relocated to Montgomery, the same building that housed the state legislature was used as the Alabama Central Female College until burning down in 1923. Today, the ruins of the building have been laid out in an interactive park area, located right behind the old tavern and near the old jail. So in the southern quadrant, we have representations of Druid City Oaks, the Bama Theater, the First African Baptist Church, and Chief Tuscaloosa. While the First African Baptist Church is well known to Alabamians for its role in civil rights history, many might not know Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. spoke there on March 9, 1964 during a visit to Tuscaloosa. This is the only known photograph of Dr. King in Tuscaloosa taken by photographer Edward Jenkins. In the eastern quadrant, we have representations of Bryce Hospital, the Moonwink sign, the VA Hospital, and Alabama's flora and fauna. Located near the VA Hospital, the 60-acre arboretum is frequented by city residents and students alike who want to learn more about and enjoy a sample of the area's rich biodiversity. The arboretum features numerous gardens and trails and is a part of a national network that shares plant information with scientists, students, and the public. In the western quadrant, we have representations of Greenwood Cemetery, the farmers market, and industrial and historic sites. While Old Bryce Hospital gets the title of spookiest place to visit by UA students, Greenwood Cemetery is a close runner-up. Having been in use since 1821, Greenwood is one of the oldest cemeteries in the county. On top of this, it is the final resting place of well-known Tuscaloosans like Dr. John Drish, Solomon Perteet, and Reverend Charles Stillman, as well as over 1,000 others.